Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. Said be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's out his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind.
Hey guys, it's Alexandra. So today I played around with a bunch of new makeup, a bunch. Foundations, eyeshadows, highlighters, primers, like the whole shebang, and I created this look with it. If you guys want to see how I felt about all the products and what I think and how I got this look, definitely keep on watching. But before that, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button to join my little fam. And also don't forget to click the little notification bell so you guys don't miss out whenever I post another video. I hope you guys are as excited to see the products that I tried out, what I think about them, and how I got this look. So without further ado, please keep on watching. Okay, so I already felt, all right, we should do something with this hair because it's all gonna be up in my face. That will do, I'll fix it once I'm done with my makeup. But I did already fill in my eyebrows because I do not have any new products for my eyebrows, and I do the same thing every single time I fill in my eyebrows, so I didn't think it would be exciting to show you guys how I fill in my eyebrows because I feel like you do it in every single tutorial. Here I have the Kylie Cosmetics Concealer in Sand. I did use this once. This is the product that I was talking about. I did use it once, and from what I did, I really did enjoy it. But obviously, if I use a product once, that doesn't determine if I like it or not, because within a week it could change. I usually like to try it out with a product for like a week or so to really see and say if I like it or not. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelids and shape my brows. Wow, my eyelids are extremely dry, and before this video, in the past few nights, I have been moisturizing them like crazy, using every method I possibly can. You're still so dry, oh my lord. I think I'm going to skip setting them today with my translucent powder because they're just so dry, and since I'm using a bunch of new products, I might as well try out this new method. I always set my concealer with translucent powder, but I've been seeing a lot on Twitter and a bunch of beauty gurus not do this, and I was like, you know what, why not try it out in a news video? So I have two palettes that I have not touched yet. I got them for Christmas. I have the Urban Decay Distortion eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. And then I have the Urban Decay Metal palette, which I'm so excited to use. So on this side, oh my gosh, all of them are like metal shades. Sorry if I blind you. Both of those palettes do have super shimmery eyeshadow colors, so I do need my transition shades that are not shimmery. So I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Beloved palette just to get a crease shade in. First, I'm going to just start off with this bad boy and work my way lightly into the crease. I really won't know how this not setting your concealer will work up until I really start getting into these colors and blending a lot. See, but it is creasing, so. As for pigmentation wise, I don't see a difference. I don't know if I'm gonna start doing this. I just really hope this isn't a big L. See, I feel like this part is gonna really pick up the pigment of the color just because it's going to grasp onto these eyeshadow sheets better. So I wanna try this out without wetting my brush first. I'm going to go into Angel Fire. Wow, this is the most awkward hold I've ever done. So I didn't wet my brush, and my concealer is tacky. It's definitely gonna fall out. I already see it. Ooh, I think it's really pigmented and really quite beautiful. I applied like 3 layers there. Now I'm gonna show you guys the difference if I wet my brush. On the other eye, already a huge difference. So I'm gonna go pack it onto my other lid as well. Maybe I just don't have to apply it 3 times, but other than that, they work pretty much the same, right? I do want to try to dig into some colors, so I think I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. What about that? I want to see how these shimmery colors are going to blend if I put a little bit of a darker color in my crease. I'm going to go ahead and take this dark chocolate brown. Super lightly. This is where people say the blending makes a difference. I want to see. I hope that this shade that I just put on my lid doesn't really move. I feel like this concealer thing just makes it more vibrant, like, and I feel like it just maybe saves you time. I don't know. I have to try this out more. I don't know how I feel about it. Look at that. It's making it choppy. What are people talking about? See, if that method works for you, I'm so glad. Like, it just doesn't work for me. I love that. If I applied a nice shimmery shade on my lid, what I look forward to is, first of all, if it's pigmented. Second of all, I look that if it moves, because once you start putting in the crease shade, a lot of the times it just kind of swipes away, and I don't like that. This lid shade is what I'm living for right now. Like, it's really, really beautiful, and it's not moving. This is a product that I just got. I used to use this all the time, the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencils, and I stopped using them. I really did. And I don't know why, I just did. Maybe I just never rebought them. Now I'm just gonna make a wing with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, which I've used before in videos. It's such a good wing. Oh yes, bitch. I got a whole Ardell lash lookbook from my best friend, and I'm excited because I love my Ardell wispies, but I really do want to try out some other lashes. Ooh, I think I'm gonna try out these right here. The 415s. Yes, yes. So I am gonna move to my face right now. I'm gonna finish the eyes later, gonna let the lashes dry. I'm gonna be using the Dr. Brand Pores No More Pore Refining Primer. If you guys watch my previous tutorials, you know how much I love my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and that is literally the only primer that I ever use. So I got this one to try out in a mini size because I'm not gonna buy full size if I don't like it. There's no point, it's just gonna sit in my makeup collection, you know? But a lot of people talk a lot of great things about this, and I have really giant pores. Like, I have big pores. That's why I feel like I love the Smashbox one. I do like the Benefit Professional. I think it's okay. I don't dislike it, but I don't love it like my Smashbox one. That's what I want to say. So we'll see. Right now, this feels really, really nice on my skin. Oh, I really like it. It's very, very smooth, which I like, and I feel like it is covering my pores really, really well. I like the little tint it adds. I feel like it just really evens out your skin already, and I don't have any foundation on. Right now, by itself, I really, really like it. Let's see how I like it with foundation. I'm also trying out a brand new foundation. This is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear up to 24-hour color wear and comfort transfer resistant whatever, this foundation. It's a super long name. I'm in the shade 140, by the way. I'm gonna apply it with my beauty blender, so I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Guys, I love Beauty Blender, and they just came out with this color. I was like, yes. So I have a damp Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna try to apply it this way. I'm gonna do half of my face with just the Beauty Blender and the other half with the brush. I definitely am gonna need 2 layers of this just because I do have acne on. So I didn't read into this foundation at all, like, to be completely honest, so I don't know what it is supposed to do, if it's a super light coverage foundation or what. So I'm gonna move to my Morphe E31 brush for this side of my face and see if it applies differently. For most of my foundations, I do enjoy applying it with a brush first and then blending it out with my Beauty Blender. I don't know, I just really like that. I mean, it is a very flawless foundation right now. I don't think it's cakey. I think it applied really nicely. Do I see a difference with the brush and my Beauty Blender? No. Do I need more? Absolutely. Definitely need another layer. I'm gonna use the Beauty Blender now because if I use a brush, it's just gonna take away all that product. Sorry if you guys hear people talking. My dad has friends over. I definitely think it is a beautiful looking foundation. If you don't have acne prone skin, my skin is really bad during the winter. Like, during the summer, I could definitely wear this because I don't get acne like at all. But for just like my skin right now, it's really nice. I enjoy it, just not for the way my skin looks right now. So I'm going with the Kylie Cosmetics concealer and literally apply this almost all over my face. I'm also gonna use this underneath my eyes. I literally applied this concealer everywhere. Oh man. I do really enjoy this concealer. I think this concealer is great. The Kylie Cosmetics concealer I think is so bomb. Lately, I've been really liking to use a concealer closer to my foundation shade instead of using a super light one. I don't know. I also think this beauty blender is definitely a lot softer. If you guys didn't know, the colors do different things, whether it's something really slight or not. So foundation, it's great, super light coverage. It's definitely not a drying foundation, which is nice. It looks really nice. Let's see how it works with powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and like bake underneath my eyes. I'm just using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Obviously, I'm just judging this foundation without powder. We have to see how it works with powder too. I'm just gonna bake a big portion of my face just because of the way that I feel like this foundation came out. So I'm gonna let that bake, and then while that's baking, I'm gonna set my neck. Oh my gosh. I'm also gonna set the rest of my face just to see how this works. Oh wow, that looks really nice set. It's just, again, really light coverage, and you could see my acne popping through. That could be just my fault. I feel like I could have just used a better concealer or concealed a little bit more. But due to that, around this area, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Better Skin powder just for some extra coverage and pat that over it. To highlight underneath my brow bone, I'm gonna go into the Urban Decay Distortion eyeshadow palette, and I am going to take this shade Bleach and just apply that right underneath my brow bone. Ooh, yes. I really like the brow bone shade with this look. Ooh, yes, yes. I'm just gonna dust away all of the bake that didn't bake into my skin. Oh yeah, I like this foundation. I definitely enjoy it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Urban Decay All Nighter. You guys should be proud of me on how much I refrained spraying this on my face, because throughout any other tutorial, I spray this on like 30 times. I am living for this royal blue color right here. Oh, it's called the Dive. Yes, your girl's really living for it. I'm gonna go ahead and drag it along my lower lash line. I hope it's pigmented. I'm also gonna go ahead and put that right underneath my wing. It definitely is pigmented. Again, I didn't wet my brush at all. For my inner corner, I'm gonna take this silver right here. Oh yeah. It's really pretty. Oh, I feel like the silver is definitely more pigmented than the blue. That's okay. Now I'm gonna curl my real and fake eyelashes together. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, those are really pretty. Gonna go back into the 24/7 Glide On eye pencil and align my waterline, which I never do. But for this look, since it's such a dramatic look, definitely need. For mascara, I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay Trouble Maker Mascara, which I have never used before either. And I'm gonna apply it to my upper lashes and my lower lashes. Before I do the lower lashes, I'm just gonna dust away that bake. Blue looks so pretty. This is such a nice nighttime glam look. Ooh. I mean, it works with this makeup look, but on an everyday basis, I would not use this mascara for my lower lash line. That is it for the eyes. Woo, I really like them. They're super dramatic, but I like it. I really do. I like the color combinations. I really enjoyed that metal palette a lot. Now it's time to finish off the rest of my face. So I am going to be taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna be mixing up these two shades right here and bronzing up my face. Oh yeah, finally, let's finish this off. I'm using a big brush first just to really bronze up my whole face. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and go into the darker shade and just focus on sculpting out and creating that line. I first wanted to really bronze up my face since I'm very pale right now. For my cheeks, I don't have a new blush to try out, which I should because that is definitely something I neglect to try out, but I'm gonna be using my Tarte blush in Exposed. For highlighter, I'm really excited. I have this Urban Decay Glow Kit that I got, and it looks really beautiful, so I'm really excited to try it. First, I'm gonna try it out without wetting my brush. I'm gonna mix these two shades right here. They're called Click and No Angel. Okay, it's very pretty. I didn't wet my brush, so I think this is really nice for an everyday look. Let's wet the brush. But I feel like that's with a lot of highlighters, you really have to wet the brush first. Cupid's bow, oh nose. Okay. I don't think it's like an amazing highlighter, like, oh, look at that glow. You really have to build up that glow. I think it's okay. Again, I never judge products just like based on one use unless I really don't like it, which has happened before. So I'm lining my lips with the Dolce K from Kylie Cosmetics. And then for my lips, I don't know which one I want to use. I have two new Anastasia lip colors that I haven't used yet. I have Pure Hollywood and wait. I have two Pure Hollywoods. Wait, what the heck? Am I seeing things? Wait, what? These don't look the same. Guys, hold up. Please tell me these two don't look the same. They don't. What the fuck? Okay, so, and I have Stripped, so I'm gonna use Stripped. That was really weird. That's so weird. And to finally lock all of this into place, I'm gonna spray some all-nighter. So that is it for this completed makeup look using almost all new products. I enjoyed most of the products, I really did. I'm gonna continue using them, trying them out. I think the foundation is just too light coverage for my skin right now since I am breaking out, so my skin doesn't look as flawless as it could be. I love the concealer. As for the eyeshadows, really like them. I really like the way this eyeshadow look came out, to be completely honest with you guys. I love the shimmer. I love the blue underneath. The mascara is nice, just not for my lower lash line. The highlighter, gotta wet my brush. But overall, I think it's really nice. The primer is great. So overall, nothing that I absolutely hate it, which is a plus. So I'm gonna continue trying to use these products in my routines here and there, testing them out, using them. I'm gonna try to use this next week when my skin clears up a little bit, but I really like it. I think my face does look flawless besides the fact that I do have my breakouts peeking out. But besides that, I think it looks great. I love the eye look. So yeah, the lips, love my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks. It's just a new color that I tried out. But besides that, I like the look. Could have been better, yes. Is it something that I hate? No. So it was a pretty good one. I really like doing this video. I think I'm gonna keep doing these because I love testing out new makeup products and all that stuff. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look and watching this video. Definitely let me know down below what videos you guys would want to see. Hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't subscribed already to join my little fam, and also click that notification bell so you guys don't miss out whenever I post another video. Give this video a thumbs up and check the description for all the products that I used alongside my social media networks such as Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Follow me on there. I love updating you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go. So I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.